What is up, everybody? This is CYoung in Yoo-Hoo. Welcome back to my channel. For recent 2 years, I bought every viral Korean skincare items. My mission was finding the best skincare routine. And here is the truth. Doing 10 steps of skincare routine? No need. Using multiple serums? No! Having a glass skin is pretty simple. For all skin types, what we all need is just 5 steps. We don't need all of it. We just need 5. Stop wasting your time. Stop wasting your time. Don't waste your time. Watch this video until the end and find the best skincare routine for you. And before we start, more than 50% of you guys are not subscribed yet. Please hit the subscribe, like me, and put the notification bell so don't miss out my new video. Okay, let's get started. These 5 are all you need, and at the center of it all, CYoung Cream. I created this after 3 rounds of IVF when my skin was at its worst. I need something honest and powerful. For every skin type, no exceptions, AM to PM, boosting cream by day, sleeping mask by night. Water burst texture, real firmness. Powered by a 5-peptide complex and fermented soybean to visibly lift and strengthen skin. Now, let's start with step 1, cleansing, so your skin absorbs CYoung Cream 200% better. So cleanser, I made a video about right there, so you can just you can watch the video for more information. So definitely cleanser, everybody need it, because if we are at the outside, we got all the dust, everything, we have like stuff, and then we go to the bed, you got with all the dust, right? So you have to cleanse it at least nighttime and in the morning. But as I am a dry mature skin, I only water cleanse in the morning. So it depends on the skin type. So if you're oily skin girlies, you will have still more oil producing in the morning. Then you can use like a cleansing foam or like other gel cleanser, whatever you like it. But dry mature skin or anybody's skin feels tight and dry, not everybody needs to use the cleanser in the morning. Sunscreen can be fully removed with a foam cleanser alone. That's why I always use an oil-based cleanser on sunscreen days. Oil, balm, or milk. For sensitive skin, cleansing milk is best. Apply with dry hands, massage gently, focusing on the nose and chin. Rinse at least 20 times or 30 times on makeup days. Even without a second cleanser, your skin is clean and comfortable. Or if you guys are really confused about the products and the names, everything you can start it from the lighter to the thicker, water to the oil. Because when you think about you're using like moisturizer first and then like more like a water-based toner later, already moisturizer, like the molecules are bigger, so you just seal it already. And if you put like 2 water, it doesn't penetrate better. So you can think you're just like having some like salad or like a soup, just like a toner. So after we wash your face, before we go to the main meal, you're telling your skin, I'm gonna eat something more, so prepare for that. So that's gonna be the toner. So in that way, I just came out from the shower, and while I'm drying my hair, I just put the toner in that time. So in that way, you're telling your skin, giving the moisturizing. So toner, so you can think it's like a soup, it's an appetizer, but still, if you're dry mature skin, your skin always lacks not only water but also oil, so you can go with a little milky version. Then it gives you hydration a lot more better. But let's say oily combo skin, you guys are already oily, so you don't need much more, like you guys just need more like a pure water-based product, then this type of toner totally works well. So still moisturizer keep fitting your skin, but when you get older, middle 30s, you have like a pigmentation and you want to like make your pores shrink and you want a little more slow aging, right? That's why we need a little more ingredients. So we still need a little more food, but only for the moisturizer. We cannot put all the ingredients, the good stuff. So you can think you're splitting like a 1 main meal and second main meal. Okay, step 3, serum. But if you're oily or combo skin, stop and listen up. Are you still slapping the same amount of serum and moisturizer all over your face? Seriously? Tell me you're kidding. Toner, fine, drench your face. But serum and moisturizer, you must control the amount. Same amount everywhere equals greasy disaster. We want glass skin, not a grease bucket, people. Do this instead. T-zone a tiny, tiny bit, just graze it. U-zone your cheeks and chin, layer it up. Get that juicy, firm glow. Amount control is the real skill. It's the pro secret. Master this and your cream will absorb 200% better with zero oil. Less is more. Let's do it right. For dry skin girlies, IUPPDRN, I recommended last year. Still, it's amazing. And also, let's say, or it's my teacher's brand, 정샘물 물 cream. The name is a cream, but definitely amazing makeup primer as well because it makes your skin a little tacky. So foundation sticks a lot better. And also for oily skin girlies, Anua, that popular product, it's great for the rosacea, but careful, this can be feel a little tickling, so you highly recommend to seal with a moisturizer. Or this one of my combo skin favorite holy grail product, and I definitely see the effect if your pimple try to pop up, then apply, and then the other morning you feel calm down. So amazing. Even really good ingredients, it can be go away. So that's why we're gonna seal these all the goody stuff with a moisturizer. So that's gonna be the moisturizers are doing. So much crucial. So I name it as a Hana CYoung, a Hana moisturizer. So Hana means one in Korean because so many people ask me, CYoung, is this for the AM or PM? But CYoung moisturizer, you can use it or day and night both. So don't forget to spread, tap. Apply from the center outward, then gently tap. This boosts cooling and absorption. I was 9 months pregnant in August, overheated and constantly flushed. I wanted instant cooling with deep hydration, so texture mattered most. This water burst formula is powered by a 5-peptide complex for visible firmness, fresh feel, serious results. And don't forget, apply to the neck. Busy moms don't have to give up glass skin. The lightweight tube goes anywhere, anytime. Effortless, professional skincare. A portion of CYoung Cream's profits is donated to children in need. In your name, our community's name. Care that goes beyond skin. Definitely, I use like a day, AM, PM all the time, and especially at the nighttime, you can apply the serum and apply a little more amount, like twice amount compared to the morning time, and you can still use like a quick sleeping mask. So that's good. For mature or very dry skin, here's my artist secret. Take your CYoung cream and add 1 drop of facial oil. That cream firms, the oil seals. The glow lasts all day. This is how you get that expensive professional skin at home. And because of the texture, it feels so soft and like a butter. I recommend it to like even for the guys too, because I know guys are more lazy and they just complain too much if it's like more like a Vaseline. No. After launching in Korea, the response was huge. People love the buttery texture, no peeling, even under makeup. And yes, husbands start stealing it. When people keep repurchasing, there's always a reason. So after the moisturizer, you can move on to the sunscreen. Sunscreen, go with like usually mineral sunscreen and chemical sunscreen. And you can use, of course, sunstick, sunspray, but especially before makeup, highly recommend to go with a sunscreen, like a creamy version. Because sunstick, I cannot really tell you apply it here that way, but sunscreen, you can definitely apply, totally you can feel it. So sunstick, I use it, but I use it for whenever at my body or whenever I'm at the outdoors. During my pregnancy, I just kept using mineral sunscreen because chemical sunscreen, I always cry. But mineral sunscreen has a white cast and it just becomes like cakey right there. But with a CYoung cream and mineral sunscreen, totally, no problem at all. So hopefully many people can enjoy it. Wait, I know what you're thinking. What about eye cream, retinol, mask? Look, those 5 steps, that's your survival kit. Everything else is just a bonus. Don't rush it. Here's the reality. Eye cream? Is it magic iron for wrinkles? Nope. Slow down the clock? Hell yes. Prevent the future. Don't just fix the past. Retinol is the king of anti-aging, but stop if you're pregnant. It's a beast. Sensitive skin, start low, go slow. Don't rush the glow. Exfoliate and sheet mask every day? That's too much. Your skin needs to breathe. Once or twice a week is the sweet spot. The synergy, all these extras need a partner. Mix your retinol at night with CYoung Cream. It's the perfect anchor for that 200% synergy. Master the basics first, follow this consistently, and that glass skin is absolutely possible. Let's glow. So, how was it? Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and anything you want to see at the next video, please put it at the comment. The development of CYoung Cream began when our third IVF attempt was successful. Creating a product while pregnant wasn't easy, but it led to a cream that's buttery soft with deep, lasting hydration. The baby I met in my 40s was a miracle. When I heard your baby is healthy, I couldn't stop crying. For everyone waiting for their little angel, you're in my prayers. A portion of CYoung Cream's proceeds will be donated for the health of all babies. Thank you so much for being part of this journey. Okay, thank you so much for coming, and I'll see you guys in the next video. 안녕!